Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. BSNL have released an advertisement regarding the apprenticeship training. Today we are going to see in detail regarding it, and this video is mainly targeted to diploma holders in electrical and electronics, electronics and communication and computer science engineering graduates in diploma. So this is the official website of BSNL. So when you go to official website, you can see these things, and in the website also they would have given the advertisement PDF, so that you can directly click and read the entire thing. If not, also I will be providing the advertisement PDF in the description, so that you can download and see in detail. So BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, have released an advertisement for diploma apprenticeship selection in BSNL Maharashtra Circle. So this is regarding the Maharashtra Circle. So those who are residing or those who are willing to undergo training in Maharashtra can apply for this. And who and all can apply is totally 55 diploma holders in engineering and technology field are required in electronics, ENTC, computer and IT for a period of 1 year. So eligibility criteria is you must be an Indian national and candidate must have passed the diploma course in a reputed college, and age limit is 25 as on 29/12/2021, and 5 years relaxation will be given. Candidates who have already undergone or currently undergoing this training need not apply once again. They will be giving a monthly stipend of 8,000 rupees for the apprentice, and educational qualification is you must have diploma in electronics and ENTC, computer or IT from reputed university. Selection process: candidate can apply to any BSNL business area under the table given below, and preference of selection will be decided later on, and selection criteria will be mainly based on the merit percentage which you obtain in your diploma as well as in personal interview. Shortlisted candidates will be informed through mail for document verification and joining if selected. So application fee is not specified, so no application fee as of now. Totally 55 vacancies are there, and you can also inquire in the all the mail IDs which they gave in the table. And so how to apply is the interested candidates can apply through board's government portal. So they have given the website, so you have to register all your details in the MHRDS NATS portal, and on or before 29/12/2021 only. For any inquiries you can send a mail to the above mail ID given in the table. See here they have given mail ID right for 14 serial number, they have given the 14 areas, they have given the mail ID, so you can inquire or ask any further doubts. General instruction will be candidates have to fulfill all criteria, can apply, and duration of training will be 1 year, and stipend will be as per the government norms, and candidates who apply in this portal on or before only can move to other process. And most importantly, there is no such thing like once you undergone training they will give any opportunity or employment in the organization, so they clearly mentioned this. So kindly see note of it. And duration of period will be 1 year, and number of vacancies will be engaged and may undergo any changes depending upon the situation. So other than that, you need to take other documents like Aadhaar card should be, I mean, while applying or enrolling you must be having these details. Aadhaar card should be less than 1 MB, and your degree certificate should be less than 1 MB. Passport size photo should be less than 200 KB. Bank account details will be required. Valid personal email ID and mobile number will be required, and they will be sending an OTP to you for verification. Tentative online application procedure is given here. So this is what they gave. So those who are willing to work or undergo training in Maharashtra Circle can apply for this, and do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel Mechanical Motivator. We will be bringing all job related opportunity to your doorstep, and kindly share this video to diploma holders. It will be a great helpful for them. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.